Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Last problem and also important problem from income from other sources. This problem also I'll explain. You try to work out, your answer should be this much. If yes, write it in the comment box. Anyhow, I'll work out later. First let me explain so that you can work out and you'll get the answer. Now the problem is given like this. Compute income from other sources of Mr. Shakti for the year ending 25 to 26. Each and every transaction will read it, whether it comes under the income from other sources or any other twist is there. Okay, we'll discuss. First one, dividends on shares of PQ Limited. So dividends when you are receiving, this is income from other sources, we consider this, you know that. Interest or dividend, that is income from other sources. And next, dividends on shares of XYZ Limited, this is also income from other sources. We know it very well. And interim dividend received from Reliance Limited, 12,000. This is also income from other sources. Next, income from letting plant. Whenever you are letting plant or house, anything, not house comes under the house property. Okay, so that is under the house income. But anyhow, this is plant we are letting it for rent purpose. We are getting income. This is income from other source, but here you are making some kind of payments like repairs, 4,800, depreciation, 6,000 you spent. So these two deduct it and consider it as income from other sources. Next, interest on income tax refund. This is also income from other sources. Generally, this is income tax department. They need to make sometimes refund of money. If they make any delay on that, they'll be giving us interest. So that's an income. So income from other sources. Next, interest on fixed deposits. This is also income from other sources. And interest on recurring deposits, income from other sources. Next, winning from horse race. How much you got? Be careful. Horse race 70,000. Horse race 5,000 exemption is there. More than 5,000, we'll be calculating the price amount into what? 100 by 70. Whatever you get, this will be the income from other source. We learned already. Next, interest on US government bonds. Of course, income from other sources. Rent from house. I got rent of 4,800, but the tax also paid. So tax is considered as exemption. So 4,800 minus 600 comes 4,200 will be the interest from other sources, income from other sources. Next, interest paid on loan taken. Here interest is paying. If we are receiving any interest, that will be the income. We'll be considering it as income from other sources. But now here, interest I'm paying for what purpose? Loan taken to purchase so and so shares. How much? 3,500 loan I have taken. And collection charges by bank 200. Both will be given exemption. Whenever you are taking any loan to purchase the shares, and for that any kind of charges like this is there, so that will be considered under the section 57. Under section 57 will give the exemption for both 3,500 and 200. But end of the problem. Everything is clear. Start working out. Get the answer, write it in the comment box and check with my answer also. Anyhow, so if you see the problem, most of the time we are getting interest on dividends and also interest on securities. Both together I'll write interest on securities and dividends. Both together I will write first dividend shares of PQ Limited. Dividends on shares of PQ Limited. Amount is given directly, we'll write amount 50,000. Next, dividends on shares of XYZ Limited, 28,000. interim dividend, from Reliance, 12,000. Next, this we'll see later. Interest on income tax refund, income from interest on fixed deposits. Interest, this will consider it as other income. Now interest on FD. Interest on fixed deposit. How much? 15,300. Next, interest on recurring deposits. RD, recurring deposits, 1,000. Interest on US government bonds. Interest on US government bonds. Yeah, 1,600. That's all, na? Okay. So this is the total of interest on securities and dividends. Apart from this, other income. What are the other income? Let's see whatever is missing. Apart from this, we'll consider dividends. These three already we have taken. Income from letting plant. This will be other income. Okay. Income from letting plant. How much it is? 21,300. Minus repairs and depreciation, less. Repairs and depreciation. Together is how much? 4,800, 10,800. We'll write the amount later. And anything is interest on income tax refund. This we didn't write here, no? Interest, income tax refund, 4,200. Fixed deposit RD both we have taken. Next, winning from horse race. We can give like this also: A, B, C, D, E, F. Now here interest on, this is over. Interest on income tax refund, 4,200 I have written. Next, what else? Winning from horse race. Horse is more than 5,000. We consider calculation like this: horse race, 70,000 into 100 by 70. It's 1 lakh it is. Horse race is over. Next, interest on US bonds. I think we have written already. Next, rent from house we'll write. Rent from house, 4,800 minus tax paid, 600, 4,200 over. So this is deduction. So right now we have done all the calculations. We'll total up this. $50,000, 28,000, 78,000 plus 12,000 plus 16,300 plus 1,600. This is 1,07,900. 1,07,900, and this one is 21,300 minus 10,800, 10,500. Let's total up everything. 1,07,900 plus 10,500 plus 4,200 and 1 lakh plus 4,200. 2,26,800. 2,26,800. Deductions are there. Deductions of less deductions under section 57. What do we have? Loan interest on loan, interest on loan taken, and also bank charges. Loan amount is interest on loan amount 3,500 and bank charges 200, 3,700. If we deduct 3,700, 2,23,100. 2,23,100. This is income from other sources. Am I clear? Problem is very simple. Let me tell you. If you see any problem, this is quite common transaction, and interest and dividends also common transaction. Interest and dividends, blindly you can consider it as income from other sources. And what else is left? Winning from horse race or cardboard games, anything. Most of the time they'll give you more than 10,000 only. Hearts 5,000. The rest of any winning prize 10,000. It will be given more than that. If it is given more than horse race 5,000 and other prizes 10,000, we calculate like this. This is important. And what else? And this last transaction, most of the time you'll be getting it. Interest paid on loan taken to purchase the securities, to purchase something, means you are paying interest. If you are receiving, income from other sources. When you are paying, so this is payment. Under section 57, exemption is there for both interest and any other surcharges, like you got 200, no, everything is deducted under the section 57. That's all. Hope it is clear. Try to work out more problems from your textbook also. And by the way, let me know how many of you got same answer. Write it in the comment box. See you all. Practice well and share this videos. Good luck.